Hello everyone, the book I bring to you today is a creative Saoli. Before I made a creative Saoli that can be studied, so this time I bring you a different one. What about the whole Suli scene? It is set in a wilderness where no one asks about the scriptures. In the lower left corner of the wilderness, I placed something for it. The head of the electromagnetic stalk was on the head, and another husband mage was placed in front of the stalk. Then the feeling and story of this scene is that a mage comes to the entrance of a frozen kitchen. So where does this entrance lead? When we put it on the bookshelf, we can find that it seems to be the entrance to the world in the book. From this perspective, this Master Gandhar Buddha is in an unknown entrance of frozen learning. Behind this freezing study is a row of books, so it's as if this cave snow is an entrance to the world in these books. In that video, I will explain to you in detail how to make such a creative book example. I will also list the required materials one by one. The materials we need to use to make this Su example include this L-shaped familiar example and 2 pieces of high-density foam boards cut according to the long frame of this sparse example. We make one piece as the bottom and the other piece. We make the boat here. It is also necessary to use a plaster induction cooker head strand model. In the first step, we need to protect the back of this Saoyi, so here we need to use a covering tape. Let's use the covering tape to lift the back up. Now we've divided the back of our hand to him. Then we need to use a glue gun to fix this white foam board to the bottom first. Let's take this model of the headstock and draw the general position here now. Well, I feel that the position is still a little outward, so I have to use a lattice machine to remove this foot. Now most of the head strand has been removed by us because our creative space is very limited, so we try our best to let this head strand shift inside, and the space I leave will be slightly larger. The next step is to base it on the position of the head, this foam board on this side. Here I want him to have a hole when my head can be stuck in it.